2018 Toyota Camry. Toyota Camry is an affordable mid-size car. Reliable and great comfortable commuter car. This vehicle has less than 9,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, power driver's seat, keyless entry, Bluetooth, power steering, cruise control, center armrest, clock, power door locks, side airbag, power windows, daytime running lights, tachometer, overhead console, intermittent wipers, rear view camera, tilt steering wheel, power outlets, power mirrors. Drive away with a great deal on this vehicle. Call or stop in today.